All right, what's up, guys? So I just wanted to do a recap on one of the trades we recently exited. Well, we have a little bit left, but really we're pretty much out of this trade. So trade was XLE. We went long. We were in calls. Um, I alerted to the chat to get in on this day right here. So March 7th, and we've just been holding this entire time. We bought June expiration $100 calls. Now, why did I pick that and why did I pick such a long expiration? Let's kind of run through that. So first we had a daily squeeze. Looked good, stacked EMAs, momentum swinging to the upside. But then from there, if we go to the weekly time frame, you can see we had a weekly squeeze, slingshot, kind of like this falling wedge type pattern that we were trying to break out of. You can see we broke out of that and then reclaimed the 21 EMA and started holding above it. And then from there, basically the trade looked great. So we had every reason to be in this trade. And then on top of that, why did I pick the $100 strike? Well, because I was looking at the monthly time frame as well, and I was seeing, okay, this monthly time frame looks perfect for a push back up into 100 and potentially to make a new all-time high. And so we had a monthly squeeze that looked good. It had not triggered yet. Momentum shift. The weekly time frame looked great. It was swinging momentum to the upside. We had this falling kind of flag thing breakout. And then on top of that, the daily time frame had a squeeze and was just showing like kind of walk up mode. So we got in. Right now we're up 500 and about 10%. And we've kind of been trimming along the way, but ultimately what we wanted was this $100 price target. At this point, am I going to risk another like 40 bucks per contract to risk 500% gains? Not necessarily. So we're out of most. I told anybody that was holding just one contract to get out completely. If if you had a few, scale out of majority and just leave like one, maybe two to reach that $100 price target. So that's kind of the trade recap. Right now we're up 500. I mean, it's making new highs right now, but we're up about 510% on this, and we have till June expiration. So we may like ultimate target is 100, but I think we can really keep going. It's just we are now at outside of weekly 3 ATR. We are at monthly 2 ATR. And so we just got to be a little cautious, and we definitely want to kind of take profits when we are up this much and manage risk to the downside because uh, we are up so much. Now we have to manage risk to the downside and manage the profits that we have. So yeah, we're out of our majority of our position, up about 510%, like I said. And this was alerted to the chat down in this area here. We were entering calls. And yeah, so that's the trade. That's the reason why I got in it. And it's had a beautiful move up so far. Not much red was seen. And yeah, so if you're not a part of our free Discord, you can join the link below. But also, I have the signals chat, which I send out my trade alerts. You get a free week to try it out to see if you like it or not. And then after that, super cheap, 19.97 a month. And this contract, I had one guy that was bought one contract and has been holding, and I just told him to sell today, just a few minutes ago, and he's already paid for 2 years of his membership with just that one contract, and the contract was 50 bucks. So yeah, so that's the trade recap. I'll put the both of the links for the signals below, as well as the free Discord if you're not already a part of it. But all right, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope this helps, and look forward to working with you in the markets.